Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoha and today we are going to learn how to make origami box. For that we'll be needing a square paper. You need to fold it into a half. Then you again fold it into a half. And then you open it. Then you fold all the corners to the center point. And then you fold the sides to the center line. Do for the opposite one also. Open it. Do the same again to the other opposites. And then you open it. And then you need to cut the corner to the square marking. Repeat with all the corners. After this, you open two of the opposite and then you fold the corner to the center point. Do the same with the other opposite and then you do the same here. Then for the next opposite, you fold it like this. After this, you take the two corners and tuck it with the main flap. Press it tightly that it gets fastened and it does not open. Then you do the same with the other side. You need two of these, this, then you take one of them and then you fasten it. Your box is ready. Enjoy your box. Please love, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please click the notification bell below that you don't miss any of our videos. Bye guys.